Hi YouTube, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome, and if you are old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and checking me out. Thank you so much for all the new comments on this channel. I do really appreciate every single one of you guys. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas, and hopefully the new year coming along is going to be a bright one, a wonderful one, and a great one for every single one of us. As you guys can see in the title today, it is some styling outfit that I put together for New Year Eve. If you like to be glam, if you like to chill, if you like to go to New York when the ball drop, you like to see it, I got something for you. Clothes might not be as glam as most people would think New Year outfit should look, but I still think you could pull this outfit up for New Year Eve, New Year party, whatever it is you guys are going for. And I hope you guys enjoy it. You guys know how we do on this channel. We're all about fashion, beauty, lifestyle on this channel. That's what you're into. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright, without further ado, let's get into this styling. I'm going to show you guys I'm going to talk about the outfit, and I'm going to show you guys the video either on this side or on this side. Just keep a look at, and as you guys know, everything I have will definitely be in the description box. Don't let me ramble too much. Let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, this first outfit that I put together, it is a pant set from Fashion Nova. This is the bomb. This outfit right here, I think it is one of the best one that I put together. Yeah, it's pants and a top, but I think that is one of the best thing that you could wear. It's comfortable, it's easy, you could run if you need to run. You could do whatever it is you need to do in this outfit. It is so cute, it is so nice. It is a bondage material, so if you want to get this outfit, I say stay your size. Don't go down, don't go up, just stay your size. It's stretchy, it has stretch to it, but it is a little bit, you know, on your thigh. I don't know how they made it. On the leg part, it's loose and all, but then when it gets to your thigh, it's a little bit tight, so you have to, you know, struggle a little bit to get in. But other than that, this outfit is the bump. It is sexy, and once you're done with when the ball drop, and if you guys want to go to the club, this is the best outfit for you to wear and go to the club also. I just think it is the best. I paired it with the shoe also that I got from Fashion Nova, and also the purse that I got is from Target. You guys see me looking, this is where all the outfit is. You guys will just be seeing the video on the side, and I think it looks really cute. With this, you could wear a silver outfit. I don't have anything. Looking at my jewelry set, I have nothing silver in it at all, so I did pair it with gold, and I think it looks good. It was just gold that was subtle, a nice, I think this necklace is what I had with it, and this necklace is from Target. So this necklace is what I had with it, and then I had a nice chunky big earring that is gold, and I put some little trinkets, some accessories on my hand, and I think it looks really cute and really chic. And I think this is one outfit that you definitely could go into 2022 in. Let me know what you guys think about this, if you're gonna be able to rock something like this for the 31st of December to go into a new year. Alright guys, the next outfit I put together is another set, but this set is from J-Luxe label. It is pretty light. I know it's hot out, it's cold outside right now. I know we could still rock this kind of outfit. All you have to do is do you have a coat or a full fur? That would be really, really cute to pair with this outfit, and I think it looks really cute. It is sexy, like sexy. The outfit is pretty plain, you feel me? But your accessory should be the one to speak for this outfit, in my opinion. It is a nice, beautiful skirt, and then the top is a bodysuit. It has a beautiful V-neck, a beautiful V-neck, also a sweetheart neckline to it. I think it's really, really cute. I mean, if you're in New York, okay, I don't know about you wearing this kind of outfit, but if you think you could rock it, it would be great. It's a very cute, beautiful outfit, honestly, to wear to jump into the 2022. Oh my days. I think once you have on to jump into 2022, it probably determines how you're gonna dress for the rest of the year. I mean, don't take my words for it. I'm just I'm just talking at this point. But I think it does help you to look really cute, really sexy going into the new year. You know, all the stress you've gone through the whole year, this is the time for you to just let it out, get some drink, relax, chill with your family. And if you are the ones that don't like to go out too much, just want to stay home and watch it on TV, I think, and you still want to look cute, you feel me, with your friends and family, I think this kind of outfit will be kind of outfit that you could wear and you will still look sexy and bomb. Okay guys, this next one, it's a little bit out there, okay, in terms of the color of this outfit, but I think because it's winter, because it's fall, that doesn't mean you can't wear color. And I think this year we've all been wearing a lot of colors. I've seen a lot of colors this fall winter season, and I think it's so cute, it's so nice to bring out a lot of, you know, brightness into this little thing that we're going through, this panoramic that we're going through, this Omarion situation that we're going through. So yeah, I think a proper color would do you well, it would do you great. So that's why I had this yellow dress from JLux Label, the yellow dress also from JLux Label. So this yellow dress is everything and some. I actually bought this dress, right? It's big, okay? I got it in a small. So if you want this outfit, I say go down a size. This is a small, okay? It has a lot of stretch and it has a lot of material in it, okay? It has a lot of material. It is those outfits, those dresses that you wrap to your own style. The bottom is a skirt, but then there's an attachment on it. An attachment on it that you use to wrap and make any style of top that you want. And let me show you guys. Okay guys, this is the outfit right here. It has, there's a long thingy. Y'all see how long it is? Like, I don't even know how to tie it. I bought it and I have made a return label for it about 3 times to keep it, okay? I decided to, because I'm like, I could make it work. So that's why I decided to put it in this video. Thinking about it, I think I did a good job tying it. Honestly, if you tell me to tie it again the way I tied in this video, I can't do it. Let's just be honest. I really cannot do it because it was by the grace of God. God said, girl, you're going to show them this dress. That's why I'm going to let you tie it today. Because honestly, when the dress came, I've been thinking like, okay, how am I going to tie this? Like I told you guys, I've tried to take it back so many times, but I'm like, you know what, there's something about this dress, okay? And I'm looking at my closet too. I have nothing yellow in it. I think I have one yellow dress, so I'm like, this one, I'm keeping it. And for some reason, after I tied this, I want to go back and go get me some more colors because they have a lot of colors. Like I told you guys, everything that I have on, if I can see them, if I can link them, I will definitely link them in the description box. And if you don't see anything, if I put out of stock, then I will definitely put the direct link to the website for you guys so you can go over there and shop for more. And check in my description box also, there's always a coupon code for you guys to use on each website. It's a referral code actually. So when you get some points off your clothes, I get some points off also. Okay y'all, this one right here. I styled this up in 2 different ways for you guys. I started with a boot and I also started with the heel. So whichever one you feel like is good, let me know in the description box. Alright, this outfit right here is two outfit. The skirt is from JLux Label, that is extra big, very, very big on me. And the top is from Fashion Nova. Sexy. When I say sexy, it is sexy. I just wish both of them would fit me the way I want them to fit me. Top is in a medium. It has a lot of stretch to it and I didn't know. I thought it was gonna be, it wouldn't have any stretch because it looks silky online. So I'm like, I have a little bit of breast and I have a little bit of meat on my side, so a medium would fit me better. If I had known, I would have gotten me a small and it would have snugged me, hold my girls up a little bit much better, and I still look cute in it regardless of what it is. All I have to do is take it to the tailor and they will let me take it on the side so it can fit my girls a little bit more. And then the skirt, I didn't know that the stretch was gonna be that big. I went ahead and got it in a medium also. It is like the material of the yellow dress that I showed you guys. It is in that same material, so I think it's have sized down because it's very, very stretchy. I should have gotten a small instead of a medium, but it was falling off my waist a little bit, so I tried to, you know, make it look cute and make it look nice. And I think that is a beautiful, beautiful outfit to wear on the 31st before you shout Happy New Year to 2022. I think it's really cute. I think it's really chic. I think it's really, really sexy. I went ahead and I styled it with the boots, with the brown boot that I got from Fashion Nova also. And the purse that I'm carrying here is from Shein. I think everything came out looking really cute, really sexy. Just gotta be careful. And if you have a nipple tape, a nipple cover or a book tape, double-sided tape, I think this will also really, really work for you. It is really cute. It's low on the back. You cannot wear a bra with this because of the chest area. It is very, very deep, so you cannot wear a bra with this. Either a book tape that will lift up a little bit or a nipple cover, something really sexy like that. I don't think you need a bra to wear with it. It will take away from it. And then the skirt, this is the kind of skirt that you could scrunch up to make it long or short. You can make it as long as you want. The only thing is, I don't like the way the string was just dangling and looking and cute. But other than that, I think it looks really, really cute on me. Honestly, it is very, very sexy and very, very cute. And then on the other side, I went ahead, I took the boot off and I put a pair of heel on. The heel that I put on is from Ego. If you see my Ego haul, I'll link it up here for you guys. If you see my Ego haul, I did haul this during the summertime. The heel I have on it just put a little bit of pizzazz. It put a little bit more sexy and a little bit more glam to the outfit. I kind of like it with the heel much better than I did with the boots, but I still think both looks really, really cute. Let me know which one of them you are going to rock. Either you're going to rock it with the boots or you like or prefer with the heel. I think they're really, really cute. You could put a nice, beautiful shawl on top of this or a nice coat when you get to your party. Then you can take it off. Almost, I was look at me looking at this video all over again, and my body in this outfit was giving, it was giving, I mean, if nobody's going toot my horn, I want to toot my horn. Toot, 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 toot. You gotta hype yourself up sometimes, but I think this is cute. I was looking glad. I wish I had somewhere to go, honestly. Okay, y'all, this next outfit is everything I got. I think they just sexy. I don't know if it's my body that's making it sexy or what. Even with all my fupa and all, I was looking real cute in all this outfit. And I think they are cute outfit to wear for the 31st, for any occasion actually. I think they all look really, really cute. So this next outfit is another material like the yellow dress and the brown skirt that I was telling you guys about. This one also is from JLuxe label. So this outfit is very stretchy. I decided to get this in a small since I already have two materials in that, two outfit in that material. And now I know that I definitely gotta go down a size. This also is a size small. It is a blush pink kind of outfit. Like I told you guys, you can wear any color you want. I don't care if it's fall, spring, winter, summer, whatever it is. I'm gonna wear whatever color I want to wear. I'm gonna be in the room and I'm gonna be the brightest person in there. Bright personality, bright outfit, bright makeup, looking flat, looking beautiful. Okay, I don't want to blend in with everybody wearing all brown and black and stuff. No, I want to be bright. I want to look cute. I want to look bright and nice going into 2022 or any other year. You feel me? So I put this on and my purse and my heels and I was fly. Going into 2022, I'm gonna be smiling. I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna be bright into 2022, baby. I think this is cute. I think this is really, really cute. You guys see the way it snatched the body? It did come with a belt attached to it. You could tie it any way, shape, or how you want. The belt does not come out, so it's kind of sewn into the outfit. Okay, when I was talking about a belt, this is what it is. It came like this with it. This is the outfit right here. It came like this with it, so you can tie this any way how you want. When you guys see it, it does look like it came with no belt. I also have a video with it that it has a belt. I took the belt off and I tied in front. So yeah, I think it looks really, really cute. The purse is from TJ Maxx, and I love that print. And the shoe is the same shoe from Eagle Shoe, and I think it looks really, really cute with the hair, with the pink lips and everything. Up, girl. While another finish, it's time to enjoy. We another finish, it's time to enjoy. It's time to enjoy. I think I look a bum. Look at going into 2022, man. I cannot wait to go into 2022. New life, new beginning. And the next outfit I put together is an outfit that I think everybody think is the norm to wear on the 31st, okay? Outfit that is glam, outfits that have a lot of sparkles all over it, outfit that is like you are coming from far away, they know that bam, that's Mrstitotv coming from afar, or outfit that you will stand up and then all the glitters on the chair when you're getting up, or you're walking around and dancing, and all that everybody would think is the norm to wear for the 31st, okay? But I think it's cute. This dress is from Boohoo. I've had this dress for more than maybe 3 years, and I've never worn it anywhere. It's been in my closet. I ain't never worn it nowhere. So I decided to pop it out today and be like, I don't know if I'll be able to see it on Boohoo sites, because I haven't shopped on Boohoo in over a year now. Yeah, this is this dress right here. This dress is all glitter all over it. Like, it is sparkly. If you turn the light off, girl, you gonna be sparkly. When the light drop, when the ball drop, you gonna be one of the people just sparkling, like sparkle, 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 sparkle over here. You're gonna be one of them people. The good part about this is it doesn't shed. It does not shed at all. It is such a beautiful dress. It has a little slit on the side. The shoe that I have on with it is from Fashion Nova, and the tiny little purse that I got with it is from Amazon. So I'll link everything that I can link in the description box. And I think I was looking really beautiful. It's a nice V-neck. You can wear your regular bra with this, or you could wear your MK bra if you have an MK bra. I do have an MK bra that I wear with most of my outfit, and yeah, I think they look really, really cute. I think I put everything together really, really nice. They all came out looking beautiful. And hi guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I do appreciate every single one of you guys for watching the video all the way to the end. You guys are the real MVP. I hope you guys love the way I put everything together for the December 31st 2021 outfit idea. Like I said before, you don't have to look like the ball that is about to drop. You ain't gotta look like a glitter throw up on you for you to have a good time on the 31st. So I did put on this subtle, cute, fashionable, sexy outfit, and I hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, I wish you guys the best of New Year. Until next time in New Year, I hope you guys had a wonderful 2021, and I hope 2022 is going to be a greater year for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy yourself. Until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah!